Hey everyone, in today's video, let's learn how we can assign values to multiple variables at the same time in Python. You can easily assign values to more than one variable simultaneously in Python. The number of variables on the left side of the assignment operator must match the number of values on the right side. So let's see this in action with some code examples. Here, I'm assigning two values for and the string Tokyo to the variables A and B. Let's print to see if this works as intended. So 4 goes to A and Tokyo goes to B. This is what we are expecting to. Okay, it works. If you don't match the number of one side with the other side, you will get an error. So if you try to do this for Tokyo and 5, so I have 3 items on this side, 3 values, and only 2 variables, we get an error. Too many values to unpack because these numbers here don't match with these ones here. So to solve this problem, we can use the args syntax, which works like this. Let me just first comment this one so our program doesn't break when we try this next example. So brand list, and then we are going to assign BMW, Ferrari, Toyota, and Suzuki. Okay. Then I'm going to print brand goes to brand and brand list. Okay, so what's going to happen here is BMW is going to be assigned to brand, and everything else will be assigned as a list to brand list. Okay, so let's see this in action. I typed something wrong here. Let me see. What am I missing here? Brand list. Oh, all right. I know the problem. I was executing with just Python here. My Python interpreter for this, when I just type Python, goes to Python 2.7, Python 2. So this feature doesn't work. I have to execute this using Python 3, which in this case goes to Python 3.8.5. So silly mistake here. Let's try again. All right, we have it. You can see that BMW was assigned to brand, and all the other values were assigned to brand list as a list here. Okay, so that's how you assign multiple values to multiple variables at the same time. You either match the number of values to the number of variables on each side, like we did here. Otherwise, you will get an error, like we simulated on this situation. And the alternative is to use the arg syntax. So everything else that doesn't match on this side can go to this single variable as a list. All right. I hope you find it useful. Thanks for watching. Bye.